Welcome back, first timers. But if you're new here, I'm David, and this is Terry.
We're the first timers. We're trying things for the first time, and you can too.
And in this episode, we're trying something completely new again. A company called SaladPower reached out for us to do an honest review of their organic smoothie. So they sent out a box of these for us to put to the test.
I'm excited. Are you?
Yeah. I like smoothies. I like vegetables.
You love smoothies.
I just don't like having to chop and puree and do all those things. So these are shelf stable for a year. You don't have to refrigerate them unless you open them. And each one of these bags are 8 ounces, and it comes with 2 servings of your daily allotment of vegetables.
Wow.
It's very vegetable focused, but then it has a little bit of apple and lemon. I think that's probably for flavor because there's things like kale, spinach, carrots, and broccoli. And those things don't always sound like they're...
Yeah, they don't always taste great.
All the fruits and vegetables in this pouch is organic. I'm not a nutritionist, so I think that's pretty good. It sounds like it's something that we need to be doing. And 2 times your daily amount of vegetables also sounds like something you should be doing. Each one of these pouches are only 90 calories and then 21 grams of carbohydrates with no added sugar. But there's 5 grams of fiber, so we kind of offset some of the carbohydrates. While I'm not a nutritionist, I'm highly skilled in flavor. So we're going to be testing this for flavor and functionality, really, because that's really what we care about. We have super busy schedules. We're running around all the time, and especially when we're traveling, it's really hard to find a quick, easy salad that doesn't have a whole bunch of dressing and stuff on top. And when you just want vegetables on the go, this could be an option for us. We're gonna try it just raw.
We're just gonna go right in.
And then we'll make it into smoothie, but then we're gonna put it to the functionality test. And that one I'm pretty excited about. So anyway, let's crack these things open and see what we think.
All right.
So they come in these pretty nondescript packages, which is kind of cool. It says so little, but it says so much. Drink cold. Here we go.
Making me nervous here.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
I didn't expect it to be that color, but I guess because of the carrots.
It's pretty dang good, actually.
Ooh, okay.
It's vegetable forward for sure, but then you get the hints of the lemon. You get that little.
That's why I went like that because it's not sour, really, but
it's the lemon flavor. And then the apple is good because it kind of cuts some of that earthiness, but
it's definitely not sweet. It's not sweet.
Oh, SaladPower chills. This is pretty good. It's like a gazpacho.
I was just gonna say it kind of tastes tomatoey, but there's no tomato in there.
Yeah,
which is weird.
All right, that's 100 times better than I thought it was gonna be. For real.
I was not looking forward to tasting it, honestly, but it tastes pretty good.
It's good. And it has a nice. It has a nice aftertaste too, like at the back of the throat. But I mean, maybe a little cayenne pepper, a little black pepper in this, and maybe some cheese on top. Heat it up.
Are you making pasta sauce now, or?
Yes. This would be good, I think, to add in a pasta sauce. We're not doing that today. We're making a smoothie with it, but actually adding this to a pasta sauce.
Yeah, you would have no idea that there's extra vegetables in there.
Yeah, this is pretty good.
And it's not like gritty. The texture's pretty nice.
It's very smooth. It is a smoothie consistency.
Yeah.
It's a very fine puree. It's almost more liquidy. So
definitely, if you had maybe some dental work done or something, and you couldn't eat.
I'm thinking. I mean, we've eaten a lot of MREs in our reviews. We'll post some of these here. But in your bug out bags, it's hurricane season here in Florida. But shelf stable salad in a bag is would be a huge win if you're going to be relying on things like MREs or freeze-dried foods or non-perishables, or you could have this in your bug-out bag or in your pantry, and
if the power's out,
you got salad right there. So also camping, that'd be another option. You take this hiking, backpacking. They're not heavy. It's 8 ounces. If you're out camping and you're eating, not the best food, boom, travel trailer. I mean, when you're on the go and you can't find a salad, truck drivers. What's up, truck drivers? I know we got a couple subscribers there. Shout out to all our truck drivers. This would be a great option for you guys because I know you're on the road, there's places to eat salad, but sometimes you just need a little quick salad pick-me-upper. I think this could be a good option. Flight attendants.
Ooh.
We watch a lot of flight attendants on YouTube. That's our guilty pleasure. But they're always packing their meals, taking them to go. Throw one of these in your cold bag, you're set. So pretty much anybody on the go, or even in an office environment, I think this would be good. High power, highfalutin executives that just need a little salad on the go. I'm with it. I'm digging this a lot.
Oh, you're gonna finish it, huh?
It really is good. And I'm not just saying that. We're not sponsored. We're giving it an honest review. But if you're interested in ordering these yourselves, we'll leave a referral link in the description below and use that to help us out because we want to keep doing things like this. So just out the box, I'm going to say I give this a thumbs up for flavor.
For sure.
Yeah.
Thumbs up for me as well.
All right. So we took the SaladPower Smoothie and then doubled the smoothie. We added some frozen fruit that we had in the freezer. I think there was pineapple, strawberry, some random things, and then a little bit of pineapple juice and almond milk. That's pretty good too.
Let me taste this.
I actually think I like it better not in the smoothie.
Really?
Yeah. It's a little too sweet.
I like the sweetness.
Yeah.
But you can still taste the vegetables.
Yeah, I definitely prefer it better out of the package, but I don't really like overly sweet. And I think adding the juice and so
you could play around with it.
Yeah.
But definitely if you're trying to get your kids to eat more vegetables.
Oh yeah.
Good way to hide it.
You could definitely sneak this in. And it's super convenient. I mean, the amount of vegetables that go into each one of these, 16 leaves of spinach, 12 leaves of kale, half an apple, a quarter lemon, 4 heads of broccoli, and 5 carrots. 5 carrots! That's a lot of carrots.
It's a lot of broccoli too.
That's a lot of carrots. That's a whole heck of a lot of carrots. But now we have to put it to the functionality test. Let's see if it's easier to eat SaladPower in the pouch on the go, or if it's easier to just have a salad. Stay tuned. We'll be right back for the functionality test.
Let's see if this is just as easy as eating SaladPower on a boat. I'm gonna go with not as easy. All right, now we're gonna try the SaladPower. Definitely easier.
So you've seen SaladPower raw and right out of the bag, and that got a thumbs up.
You saw it in a smoothie.
You
Two
got
thumbs up.
It was pretty good. I still like it raw style, but I'll give it a thumbs up. And then you saw it in action on a boat, and that gets. If you're gonna compare a salad on a boat to a salad in a bag with SaladPower, I'd go with SaladPower every day. So another thumbs up there. I would recommend it, especially for people that are on the go, busy lifestyles, and want to increase their intake of vegetables. This is probably the way to go. So it is a little spendy.
Yeah, but it's super convenient.
For the amount of vegetables and fruits you have to buy to make this, I mean, there is some offset there.
Yeah.
So, like I said earlier, we're gonna leave a link in the description below if you want to order some. Try it and let us know if you're gonna try it or if you have already tried it.
Yeah, let us know what you think about it.
So thanks again for joining along in this episode, and join us next time when we do something else new for the first time.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. First timers.
High five.